You are always defending a person who does not care about your feelings. Most of the times, guys, you have to stop it sometimes, because that person, guys, you are defending your friend behind her back, but that person does not defending you even one day. Sometimes can make funny maybe with your problems, or being funny, or to being laugh with you with other friends. So sometimes we have to be careful sometimes with those people, because you can be honest to someone, but that person is not honest to you at all. Even a boyfriend or your husband or your wife, that person is not honest to you at all. Because sometimes, guys, what I saw even in relationships or in friendships, sometimes maybe, guys, it's not equal the way maybe you are treating each other, because you can say it's your friend and you love your friend truly, or you love your partner truly, but that person, guys, is not like the way you love that person most of the time. So sometimes when you saw maybe your friend or your partner is treating you the way they treat you, sometimes you have to stop to being in relationship with them. Or because other people, they don't feel, guys, they don't feel for other people, because sometimes you are defending that person, but that person you are defending is, guys, is gossiping about you every time, talking bad things about you behind your back, and you are defending your friend behind that person behind the back, but that person didn't do the way you are doing sometimes.